In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to successfully engage in scalping on Binance in 2025, a high-speed trading strategy designed to capitalize on small price movements. If you're the kind of trader who enjoys monitoring the markets closely and executing swift trades, then this method could be perfect for you. So let's dive right in and explore what scalping is and how you can start using it effectively today. Scalping is a trading technique where the main objective is to achieve small, yet consistent profits by exploiting rapid price fluctuations within short time frames, often ranging from just 1 to 5 minutes. It's like the fine art of capturing minuscule gains and letting them accumulate into a substantial sum throughout the day. To be successful at scalping, you need to be quick on your feet, making sometimes split-second decisions and executing trades with precision. It also requires an insightful grasp of market volatility and dynamics. Now, when it comes to scalping on Binance in 2025, you'll want to focus on specific coins that are most conducive to this strategy. The hallmark of a good coin for scalping is its liquidity, volatility, and low spreads. With these factors in mind, let's discuss the recommended coins for scalping this year. Firstly, there's BTC USDT, which boasts the highest liquidity and tightest spreads. This makes it a reliable choice for scalpers due to its steady flow and accessibility in the market. Then, we have ETH USDT. Ethereum's stable movements and predictable trading patterns provide an excellent environment for scalpers to operate effectively. Next, consider BNB USDT, Binance's very own native token, which sees a lot of active trading. Its widespread use and integration into many aspects of the Binance platform make it an attractive option for quick trades. SOL USDT is another contender with its high volatility that's perfect for employing breakout strategies. This means when you notice sudden shifts in Solana's price, you can act fast and profitably. Moving on, we have Doge USDT. It is well known for its emotional price action and has captured the imagination of traders everywhere. This meme-inspired coin can offer quick profit opportunities if you can leverage its erratic price changes effectively. Lastly, there's Pepe USDT and INJ USDT. Pepe is another meme coin known for its rapid pumps and dumps, which, if timed correctly, can yield quick gains for the savvy trader ready to seize the moment. As for INJ, it has been gaining increased trader interest and is known for its sharp moves on news, providing yet another avenue for potential scalping success. With this comprehensive overview, I hope you're feeling more prepared to tackle scalping on Binance in 2025. Remember, the key to mastering this strategy is patience, constant monitoring, and swift execution. Happy trading, and may your screens be ever in the green.